Hi students, today I am coming with a numerical. The question is, a room heater is rated 400 watt 220 volt. If the supply voltage drops to 200 volt, what will be the power consumed by the heater? Approximate value, rounded value we can use it, okay. This is also a question from the NEET examination, okay, NEET examination 2026. Let's start. Options given here, okay. You know that NEET question weightage is one question solving 4 marks. Okay. 4 options are there. First we will do the answer, then we will look into the answer key. That is our plan. So that 100% we can match the answer. Okay. So start with the first step now. What is the first step? We want to find the resistance of the coil from the standard values given, that is the set values given here, right? That is 400 watt can deliver at 220 volt. From there we can find the resistance of the coil. So calculate the resistance, that is the R of the heater from its rated values. The rated values here are, power is given 400, power is given 400 watt. V is given 220 volt. These two enough actually, because you know the power equations. What is power equation? P is equal to current into voltage. Different forms of this one we can write, okay. So V is equal to 220 volt, P is equal to 400 watt, and using the power equation, P is equal to IV is equal to I into, you know that V is equal to IR, Ohm's law. So I into IR. This is one format of it. I square R is one format of that. But we don't like actually I square. Difficult. Other option is there. V is equal to from Ohm's law. We can write. I is equal to from Ohm's law. We can write. We are going to follow that one. V is equal to IR. Correct? So I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. We are going to write that one. I is equal to V by R. Okay? V by R. So in the power equation, P is equal to IV, substitute in the place of I, V by R. Okay. So one option is this one, I square R. We don't like it. Other option is V by R into V. V by R into V. Okay. So all options are okay. So we follow any one of the option, then we will get P is equal to V square by R. Then cross multiply and get the R value. R is equal to V square divided by P. What is the V square here? 220 volt, right? 220 volt. So 220 square divided by power here is 400. Power here is 400. So 22 square. What is 22 square? 484. And 2 zeros will come because 220 square it is. So 484 0 divided by 400. Cancel 2 zeros. What left now? Simplify. 484 we can divide. First 4 is 1 time, 8 is 2 time, and 4 is 1 time, so 121. So resistance is equal to 121 ohm. This is enough. We found the resistance of the coil. Now we will be able to find what is the power delivered at voltage when voltage dropped to 200 volt. Question is that one. So in step 2 we do that calculation. Step 1 we found what is the resistance of the coil. Okay. So in step 2 calculate the new power dissipation or new power delivered with with voltage is equal to 200 volt. So we are going to do the same calculation once again. P is equal to, we have one option is IV, we don't know current. So other option we will follow where what are the values given with us. Okay. V square by R we are going to apply. Why V square by R? Because in the place of I, if you apply V by R, you will get it. So V square by R, V dash I put because you know new voltage is. So 200 square divided by 121. P dash is equal to 200 square divided by 121. 200 square is 2 square is 4 and 4 more zeros here, because 2 zeros are there already. So 40,000 divided by 121 is equal to 330.57 watt. 331 rounded value whole number. Then we will look into the answer key now. Okay, ready now. Look into the 4 options. Which is the right option? Third option, right? 331 watt. Easily done, right? If you are feeling this is difficult, what you can do, go to Google or ChatGPT and create a similar question and solve it. That is the way to answer the question. Okay, students, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.